incredibly close race. At the moment, it's been taken out by the lead by the Australian pairing, Schwartz and Schering. They're the world champions, but also the world best time holders.
There they are, slowly but steady. Slowly, maybe not the best choice of words, but steady for sure. As they make their way to the 200 meters. Halfway there, as now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 votes. We could almost say 6 at this point.
The Austrians are getting a little bit of pressure from their left-hand side by the Portuguese pairing. The Portuguese really know how to make fast paddlers, and they also know how to put together a really good crew.
Oh, one crew that is absolutely stellar right now is the People's Republic of China. Duo of Wu and Xu now. But look at this. In lane 7, lane 6, lane 5, lane 3, lane